Hello my beautiful souls and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Provost. I'm really excited today because I've had so many of you ever since I posted an Insta story about this broccoli dish. Little hint there as to what I'm going to be showing you today. I've had all of you messaging me, emailing me, DMing me about the recipe and what I put on it and how to make it. So the video is finally here, guys. The wait is over. There is a fly buzzing around. It's really annoying. Really annoying. It's gonna land on my face. So let's get started. I'm gonna preheat the oven. Okay. Broccoli time. Love broccoli. How cute is it? All right, just gonna take these little leaves off, I like to call them. Not too many. It's not such a big deal if they're on. I just find sometimes they cook quicker than the rest of the broccoli and then they kind of get a bit crispy and a bit burnt, which isn't what you want. So leave them on if you want, it's not an issue, but yeah. Normally I would use Mum's gorgeous broccoli from the garden, however, she's all out at the moment, which I'm very devastated about. So I've just run down to town and grabbed some, but this dish is really quick and easy and it is so freaking good. When I first tasted this, Dad actually made it for me. And when I first tasted it, I just wanted it every meal and I could eat this every meal. So we're just gonna do basically the tree heads, as I like to call them. We're going to make this one gorgeous big tree, many little trees. Make sure you include the stem as well. A lot of people, when they eat broccoli, just cut it off from here and just eat the leafy bit and the top, I should say, not the stem. But there is so much goodness in the stem, so make sure you're eating that as well. I wouldn't go much bigger than that. Obviously it will cook and it will soften. Try and keep them all the same size. Universal law, it's the same size, it'll cook at the same time. So the broccoli is obviously the star of the show in this dish, but now I'm gonna season it. There's a few key ingredients, but I'm gonna start my seasoning with salt and pepper. Chili flakes, obviously depends on how hot or how mild you like it. I'll pop these in. And then we're gonna add the trusty olive oil. Give it a little shake. And she's right to go in the oven. While the broccoli is in the oven cooking, we're gonna get the next part ready. So I just grabbed one lemon. If it needs a little bit of help with squishing it, we roll it to release the juices so it's not too hard when we're squeezing. But what we wanna do first before we cut it in half is we wanna get the rind off it. So you wanna cut down along and cut the rind off without cutting off too much of the white. We're just wanting to get as little white as possible. Okay, so this has been in for half an hour. Oh my God, the smell of this is so freaking good. Like, my mouth is actually salivating right now. It's filling up with saliva. Oh, that was so loud. Filling up with saliva, just the smell of this. I'm gonna turn these over slightly. The other side. Just a little. And we're gonna add the lemon rind. Lemon is just such an amazing smell. It is so fresh and it brings so much life to it. And then I'm gonna drizzle it with the juice of a lemon. Give it a little shake. Now we're just gonna pop it back in for about 5 to 10 minutes. Look how good that looks. Oh, and it smells so good. That's just been in there for another 10 minutes or so. So I'm just gonna scoop it into here. Trust me, if you make this, you will be in the good books. You will be such a winner. So there we have it, guys. The gorgeous baked broccoli, one of my all-time favorite dishes. Please let me know how you go with this recipe. Thank you so much for watching the video. I want to know your adaptations. I want to know how you found it, if it was tasty, if it was too lemony, too chilly. You let me know. Stay tuned for more videos by subscribing below. Oh my love, guys. Have a great day.